Longster 1970, and this is the 1984 Honda Shadow VT500C. I had a viewer ask me if it was possible to get the valve covers off to replace the gaskets without removing the engine, and today we're going to find out. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do here is remove this breather hose. And I'm going to remove this spark plug wire. A 6mm Allen. And there's one. I'm going to go to the other side and take that one off. Okay, I'm going to remove this spark plug wire, move it out of the way. And there's another button head bolt up in here. I got that one out. I'm going to go back to the other side and see if I can pull that valve cover, if I can lift this cover up enough and then pull it out the other side. Okay, I've taken the air box off the seat, and now I'm going to see if I can remove this upper radiator hose, or upper coolant hose, without getting a huge mess in here. Ooh. Try to catch it in here. Well, it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. It wasn't too bad. Now, if it'll only clear, to make it all worthwhile. It's so close, but it just will not come out. So if you don't have to remove the engine, you gotta at least tilt it forward. Well, the answer to if you can replace the valve cover gaskets on the 1984 VT500C without taking the engine out, I would say you're gonna have to disconnect everything, and while you got it that far, you might as well pull it out, because that just will not clear. It is so close, but it just will not clear. Front one possibly, because the front one, you can remove the coils and you give you enough clearance to get that up out of there. But this rear one, even with that, with this hose removed, it still won't clear. So unfortunately, it looks like you're gonna have to remove the engine. This is what I took off to get as far as I did. Took the air filter out, gas tank, seat, and the plenum. And I still wasn't able to get the rocker cover off. That'll do it for attempting to remove the rear rocker cover, valve cover on the 1984 Honda Shadow VT500C. I was hoping that it was possible to get it out. The front one, definitely, I believe I could get that one out. The rear one just won't clear without dropping the engine down or removing it entirely. So now we know. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.